Everywhere you go in Powys, you're not far from beauty. Within an hour, I'm in the coast. So you've got this, you've got mountains, you've got hills, you've got rivers, you've got the Brecon Beacons, you've got great food festivals here. The beauty is astounding, and I think I've really got a work-life balance now. I like the place where I live because it's quiet, it's peaceful, rather than living in a city which is busy, busy, busy. You know, you've got to fight through the traffic. Here you don't, you know. The roads are not busy here, so, you know, travelling to work is actually wonderful rather than, you know, being in the tube and being pushed and shoved. On my very first day, I came to County Hall and I was just greeted with smiles and politeness. I think it's so helpful and so nice to have senior leadership, and every one of them is approachable. You can approach, you're friendly, and they will, you know, they'll guide you through things. They want to listen to what you have to say. Your quality of life in Powys is really that much richer because it's affordable. You don't have to go far to enjoy yourself, right? You don't have to spend too much money. It's all there for you. It's right in front of you. One of the things I will say to anybody who wants to come to a place like Powys is I've seen other parts of Wales, but Powys is breathtaking. If ever I wanted to capture something, it would be on the way to work, I saw 3 rainbows. Where else would you get that? So I wish I'd done it years ago. I think it's the best thing I've ever done. And people have commented. They say, you know, you look much happier because I don't have to go through busy transport and trains breaking down, etc. So yeah, I would say to whoever's out there who want to work, who wants a work-life balance, come here, and you know, you will love it.